Hey guys, I created this tutorial to show you 3 ways to create fringe on your wall hanging, and then shortly after I realized that I also almost showed you all of the steps on how to create a mini wall hanging. If you're interested in creating this wall hanging, please see the description as I outline the amount of cord you'll need and direct you to another one of my tutorials on how to create this diamond pattern. Alright, let's get started. Method 1. Create chunky fringe. Simply add pieces of string to the outer edges of your work. If you'd like to recreate this wall hanging, cut 6 pieces of string, each piece is 1 foot long. Fold each piece in half and attach to your work using a cow hitch knot. Method 2. Create fine fringe. Use a pet brush and/or a comb to brush out your string. The quality of your string is important. Cheaper budget craft cords are often created using thicker, uneven individual strands of cotton. It's difficult to brush this out, and if you can manage it, it looks chunky and really doesn't look great. Premium cord is easy to brush out and has a much better appearance when it is brushed out. After brushing out your string, cut the edges. For a wall hanging like this, I would cut the fringe on an angle to match the diamond pattern. Method 3. Create fine fringed tassels. Add thicker string to the middle of your diamonds to create tassels. If you want to create this wall hanging, cut 5 pieces of 9mm string, each piece is 10 inches long. Attach each piece to the string running down the middle of the diamonds using a raya knot. Brush out each tassel and trim the ends. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.